people, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name's Amanda and I'm so glad that you're here. If you guys haven't heard, I am doing a 1,000 subscriber giveaway here on my channel. Once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'll be giving away a $100 gift card to Torrid. So you guys definitely want to go ahead and enter that giveaway. The details will be down in the description box below. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into today's video. You guys probably saw my video from last week, which was my first Stitch Fix box that I received, and you probably saw I wasn't super thrilled about everything that I received in that box. If you guys have never done Stitch Fix before, basically it is a subscription box that you can basically get whenever you want. It doesn't have to be monthly. You can decide when you want one. You can do like 3 months, 1 month. I have it just set on whenever I order one. And basically what they do is they charge you $20 for a styling fee. So basically they can pay their people who, you know, pick these clothes out for you, and they go ahead and send you 5 pieces. It can be jewelry, shoes, purses, clothes, basically anything fashion wise, and they send you a box. If you end up liking something in your box, the $20 that you paid for your styling fee will actually go towards that item. So say you liked a $38 item, that $20 will get subtracted off of the $38 item and will become $18. So it's a pretty good deal. The only bad thing is if you don't like something, then you're out that $20. So this is my second box. What I did when I sent all my other things back, I didn't end up keeping anything from that box, but when I sent everything back, they actually give you a survey. So they ask you, why didn't you like each piece? Were they too big? Were they too small? Not your style. So I filled out the whole survey, and then you can write like comments in the bottom. So I just said nothing was my style. It was a little too mature for me. And so they actually emailed me back really quickly. The customer service is amazing. What they ended up doing was they waived my $20 styling fee and just applied it towards this next box that they sent me. And then I also had used a referral link from another YouTuber. It didn't work, so they basically just gave me the $25 and they gave the person who referred me a $25, which is really cool, and you can use that towards your next, like for your box. So if there's anything in here, and then I can have the $25 that basically I can subtract from whatever I like in here. Well, let's go ahead and jump to this box. I have not seen what's in here, so we're gonna see what's in here together. So let's open it up. It does send you a prepaid bag to send anything back that you don't like. Everything definitely fit in there. Then we have this little envelope, and in here it says, oh, hello. You can take a peek inside. This basically tells you everything that you received, and then they go ahead and show you how to style stuff. We're not gonna look at this yet because we wanna be surprised at what's in here. And then in here, this is your receipt of everything and how much everything cost. So let's go ahead and open it. See if these ones have any distressing on them. Oh, they're also by Liverpool. The last pair that I got was also by Liverpool. Ooh, we got some distressing. So they listened to me. I said that the jeans that I received last box were too plain for me. If I'm gonna spend $78 on a pair of jeans, I want them to be distressed. So, or have like something with them. So we got some Liverpool jeans they sent to me in a size 18. And so that's awesome. Okay, so first up we have these. They're the Liverpool Kona distressed crop boyfriend jeans. And as you can see, they are cropped. They do have nice distressing, but the cool thing is you have the actual like jean material behind the actual distressing. So you're not gonna put your foot through your actual pants, which that's the one bad thing about distressing, is ends up getting ruined, because I don't know about you guys, but when I wear pants, my foot always goes through the little hole where the distressing is, and then it like ends up ripping it, and it just, the hole becomes way bigger. So I do like how the jeans have that distressed, but it's not actually distressed. The only thing I don't like, these are their boyfriend jeans, I think. They're their crop boyfriend jeans. I'm not a huge fan of how they fit on my actual ankle, so probably won't be keeping these. I do like the Liverpool jeans though, because they do have like amazing stretch on them. So that's one thing I can say, is I do like these jeans. Like the stretch, everything is really good, but I'm not a huge fan of the actual like crop, like flare out part on the ankle. So let me show you guys what exactly I mean. See how they kind of like flare out here on the bottom? Not a huge fan how they do that on the ankle. So they actually like did better on these jeans than they did last time, but still not my most favorite pair of jeans. I like that they're distressed and everything, but for $78, I have to love the jeans that they give me. They are a nice rise. They're like a high rise, which is awesome. I like myself a good high rise. They go well above my belly button. My belly button's all the way down here, and so they come all the way up. That's how I prefer my jeans to fit. I think they look pretty good on the bottom. They fit overall really well, except for they're kind of big in my legs. That was a nice tri-stitch fix, but let's go ahead and move on to the top. So basically everything else I got was top, so I will keep wearing these jeans in the rest of the try-on. We have a navy top. This is cute. It has like a crochet sleeve detail, has a tie detail in the front, and then buttons. This looks promising. Okay, so this is the next top. This top is the Cali tie front knit top by Beacon. It is this really pretty like navy blue. They sent it in a size 2X. I do like the buttons going down the front. They are real buttons, so they kind of gape a little bit on me because I'm so chesty, but it's not like horrible, so I can actually wear it. The arms are a little bit tight, but I do like the crochet like detail on the arms. But as you can see, there's no stretch in these arms at all. So like if your arms are any bigger than mine, then it probably won't fit. It is cute. I don't hate this top. And then down here it has a tie detail, which is always cute. You can actually untie it too. So what do you guys think? Do you guys like this top? Do you guys think I should keep this one? I don't know about this next item. So it's a little bit crazy. What is this? It is a top. Okay. We got a leopard print top with like some ties on the shoulders or whatever. So we will see how this is. Not really sure about that. This is the Criminy tie-back knit top by Brina and M. So far, not a fan of this. Now let's see. Let me move my camera. Okay, so this is the top. It's like a weird length. It's not cropped, but it's not like longer. Not a huge fan. Don't love how it fits on my ladies. I mean, I am wearing a sports bra with this, so I mean, I'm probably not wearing the best bra, but we're just gonna make do with what we have on right now. And then in the back, I guess it ties. There's like these little strings, and so it's supposed to tie, but I can't really tie it because my arms aren't super long. But not a huge fan of this pattern, not a huge fan of how this shirt fits. It's a 3/4 length sleeve. This is definitely a big thumbs down, but it might be your guys' style. It's just definitely not mine. I don't like how it fits at all. No. And this is in a size 2X. It's in the color coral, and it is $44. No. Don't like it. It was a nice try though. It's better than my last box, but still, no. It looks like we got a shirt dress. Is it a shirt dress? Oh, it's just a regular shirt. Oh, it's like a wrap style top and a really pretty like pastel pink with pretty flowers. And then it has like the wrapping detail on the side. That's cute. The sleeves are cute. They have a little tie detail. So this next top is the Beacon I'm a tie sleeve knit top. It's in the color blush and it's a size 2X and it is $40. So this shirt does not fit me correctly. As you guys can see, it's kind of like big. These shirts never really look that great on my body because I carry most of my weight right here. And so when they have like the little cross detail, it actually adds more bulk, I feel like, and draws more attention to my belly. I don't know if this is how this shirt's supposed to fit. I think it might be supposed to be fitting like this. But yeah, not normally a huge fan of how these like cross tops fit on me. And the sleeves are really interesting. See, they have like these weird little ties on the side. It's really soft though. It is really soft fabric, but it's just not a good fit for my body type. I did change bras so you guys could see. This is what it looks like in the back. It's a good length in the back though. I'm just not a huge fan of how this top fits me. I like the color. The pattern's not bad, but I'm just not a huge fan, like I said, of how these tops kind of fit me. Plus I think it's a little bit too big for me. I could have probably worn this in a size 1X instead of a 2X, and it's just too short, and it has like that elasticy part right here that's just too floppy. I don't know, just not a fan. Not a fan of the shirt. Come on you guys, I really want to like something from here. All right, so let's go ahead and move on to the next item. And then it looks like we got a sweater or cardigan. This is cute. It's like a tribal print cardigan. They sent it in 2X. So that is a tribal print cardigan. So the last thing that they sent me was it's the S-Hand open waterfall cardigan in navy in a size 2X, and it's $44. What do you guys think? This is actually cute. Do you guys like this? I like the tribal print. I think it's really pretty. It's a good length. It kind of like has like that trapeze kind of style where it goes down and up and down. Pretty sure that's what it's called. Trapeze. The sleeves are a good length. It is fairly stretchy. I like the pattern on it a lot. This is cute. I like this. I don't have anything like this, like any light bluey colors. This is cute. So like I said, it's in a size 2X and it's $44. So not bad. What do you guys think about this? Should I keep this or this top? What do you guys think? Let me know, guys. Which one's your favorite? So that was everything that I got in my Stitch Fix box. This was my second Stitch Fix box. Like I said, my stylist was Jenna. So I think Jenna definitely did a better job. Still not my most absolute favorite style, but I don't know. Do you guys think I should keep doing Stitch Fix boxes, or do you guys think not a fan? Maybe I should go over and try Dia & Co. I know a lot of people have a lot of good things to say about Dia & Co. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Should I keep doing Stitch Fix, or should I go ahead and cancel them and then try to do Dia & Co? So definitely let me know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you guys can definitely enter my 1,000 subscriber giveaway that I have going on here on my channel. Also, just subscribe so you guys can come in and hang out with me. Also, hit that notification bell so that you guys get notified when I post videos. I post videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. And as always, remember, be your own kind of beautiful, and toodles for now. I received a video. God, what is my deal today? Today's video is about Stitch Fix. If you're new here, this is my